Hi, I'm Dan from Eightfold Property, and in this video we're going to talk about getting financially prepared to move into your student house. So when you found your student house, the first thing we're going to ask is that we're going to need some sort of financial commitment, and this is going to take the form of a holding deposit. And this is going to be 1 week's rent each per tenant who's in the house. So just to be really clear, if there's a 6-bedroom house, we're going to need each of those 6 people to make a payment of 1 week's rent. After this, the second form of commitment we're going to need from you is a damage deposit. And the damage deposit we hold in a secured bank account, and you get a certificate to prove where this is and that it's in the correct place. And this is going to be used against any dilapidations and damage at the end of the tenancy, or any rental arrears that may have occurred at the end of the tenancy. The third one is going to be your first month's rent, and you need to pay this before you move in. In fact, it's going to be really important that you pay all these 3 amounts of money before the tenancy starts. There's no chance of any tenancy commencing if they haven't all been cleared. So just to be clear, you're going to have a holding deposit, a damage deposit, and then the balance of your first month's rent. So if you're looking for a student house, then do give us a call, and if there's anything we can do to help or give you any more information regarding what you're going to need and what your commitments are going to have to be, then we're happy to help. My name's Dan from Eightfold Property. See you on the next video.